Hi, welcome to Pictures, Noise and Words. I'm Hedgy and this is Wintersun. Finland, I think. People from Norway are saying, no, it's Norway, but I think it's Finland that they're from. The song's Sons of Winter and Stars. Now, this is not off their last album, this is off the album before that. I have heard this before, but not for a couple of years, but I have their latest album, and it's 4 songs. It's called The Forest Seasons. It's 4 songs, one, summer, autumn, winter, spring. If I can just remember 4 seasons, well done me. And it's kind of beautiful death metal. Trust me, it exists. So yes, I've heard this before. I've never seen this video. And though I've heard the song before, like I say, it was a few years ago. I had a request to do this, and this is like 14 minutes long. So the best advice I can give, really, if you're listening to Wintersun, is to put your headphones on and allow yourself to be carried along. It's not for everybody, for a few reasons. 1, it's death metal. 2, the songs are very long, and some people just get worn out after 5 minutes or 6 minutes, or if they listen to an 8-minute song, they feel like they've really pushed the boat out. Well, this is 14, but we're not scared. So, like I say, not seen this. I'll try not to stop it because it's already very long. So unless something pops into my head that I really must say, I will try not to stop the video. Right, this is just a quick insert that I recorded after I listened to this, and I just want to put it in before I start the song to say, if you feel that you don't like it after about 1 minute, 2 minutes, stick with it. Stay with this song and listen to the whole thing before making your mind up, because this song will take you on a journey. I'm just saying. So there's a funny edit in my video. I've just dropped this in. Okay, thanks. Okay, come along. The drummer drums with Nightwish at the moment, by the way, where he's probably making a lot more money. I think the drummer might be a robot. In fact, I think they all might be robots. Sorry, I couldn't resist. There is so much clever stuff going on in here. So much clever stuff. It's my argument about, you know, how experienced are you at listening to metal? This is advanced metal. And if you're picking up on the nuance, and if you're picking up on those tricky little bits and whatever, then you can consider yourself an advanced listener as well. Because there is far more going on here than the casual listener will pick up, in my humble opinion. This is fantastic. Oh, we're halfway. You know what? I would put that up against anyone you care to mention in the melodic prog death bracket. Anyone. This is as good as anything you'll hear in my humble opinion. I don't have another humble opinion, I just have lots of opinions. This is brilliant and should be far more popular than it is.
I'm wondering now, where will you take me? From the horizon the light comes alive. Into the mountains high we set our way. Will we find our way in this long winter night? I see the light of fading sun and rising mountains, and I finally feel that I found my home. But oh, it feels so cold when my dreams wither in fragments of time, revealing that this land will die. Falling snow, so soft and cold, dying on curves down, so weak. Frozen lake, the dancing spirit calling me to join the cosmic train. Silence is tempting now. We are the stars of winter and stars. We've come from afar beyond time. Forever the fire burns in our hearts. Our world shall never die. With the arms of the wind we ride till dawn. As the waves of the ocean cry so strong, we wander in the stars.
Do you hear the sea shanty? Can you hear the sea shanty in there?
Until we're gone, our fate is sealed.
Even the band looked a little bit relieved at the end. They were like, we made it to the end. If you've made it to the end, congratulations. One of the brilliant things about music like that is that if you haven't heard it for a couple of years, like I haven't, you've forgotten most of it. You're left with an impression of that something was really good, and then it's because it's too much for you to retain unless you listen to it non-stop all of the time. You can come back to it and enjoy it almost for the first time again. I mean, what an amazing piece of music that is. And it's not like that's the one great thing that Wintersun have done. You know, they produce this stuff non-stop. The new album that came out, I was going to say this year, but it's 2018, isn't it? That came out last year, The Forest Seasons, is 4 songs like that. And another thing about Wintersun is that when I start to listen to them, I think, I'm not going to like this. And by the time I've got to the end of the song, well, not even that long, by the time I got to the middle of the song, I think, oh, this is brilliant. You know, it's not for everyone, admittedly. The songs are enormous, they're immense, they require effort from the listener. You know, you've got to, and also I think it is a fairly advanced music or advanced metal. So, you know, you don't take somebody who said they like Bon Jovi and give them Wintersun, unless you want to break them. You know, it is an advanced listener's music, but this is why it's worth the effort of listening to all different genres and getting that good grounding in metal so that you can understand stuff like this. It's immense and it's brilliant, and Wintersun should be enormous. They should be world famous. And I say this far too often, that there's too many really good quality bands that are, you know, they're not unknown, but they're nowhere near as big as they should. Yeah, I'll stop because this will be very, very long. I hope you enjoyed that. It's just fantastic. Yeah, I'll see you soon. Go and have a lie down. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.